Hello, this video is about a new double-sided openwork knit with delicate vertical heart stripes. At its base is this symmetrical figure, which makes the knitting look laconic and balanced. Its canvas is mobile and alive and at the same time tight enough. It is suitable for knitting with cotton yarns. It knits with 3 loops and 2 rows. I will show you how. The number of stitches in the simple is a multiple of 3 plus 1 for symmetry and 2 ends. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. We knit the loops in triples. The first loop is a divider, knit 1. The heart is formed from the next 2 loops. The thread is in front. Between the 2 loops from back to front, pull up 1 loop, make a yarn over loop, and pull up 1 loop. Purl the 2 loops together. From 2 stitches, we got 4. Row 2 right side, purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 2 together. I have presented you with a very beautiful openwork heart stitch that will beautify any garment knitted with it. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.